Hello friends, let's start the flexibility exercises. The first exercise is lunges. Just come on your knee and bend the other knee from the sides. I am moving, rotating my body. The trunk rotation muscles are also working. These are the front lunges with the body twist. Next we can do side lunges without body rotation. You can even go more deep with more knee bending. Try to keep your body straight, look in front, chest broad, and just shift on your body weight. The next comes toe touch. This is lumbar mobility when you are bending forward, bending backward. This is back mobility. Then you can go for twists. The twist is really important for the back and the abdominal muscles as well. In this, your abdominal core muscles are working if you are bending and twisting and balancing along with this. Next is bending in the center, backward bending, forward bending, a combination of both. After this, we can shift the body weight by touching the toes. This is a closed chain activity and this is really good for your balance. You can twist, upper body twist, that is the thoracic mobility. Each of the exercise you can do for more duration as well. The different ways to rotate your upper bodies: one is hugging, one is bending your elbows, another one is by straightening your arms. You can do like that, straightening your arms and rotating. This is your upper body twist. This will increase your shoulder mobility as well. And the next is abdominal pelvic tilts, and in these you can go first with the bending and walking with the hands forward. Bending, you can touch the toes and then start forward walking. This I'll show you from the side as well. First I am touching my toes, then I am moving forward, a walk with the hands, back walk, and like that you can continue. Another is the quadricep stretch, that is the thigh stretch, the front thigh stretch. You can do either in standing or in lying. Lying is better for the beginners, and if you are already doing it, then you can do it in the standing as well. Now we come to the next exercise. In this exercise we go for the stretching for the hamstring muscle, that is the muscle of the back of the thigh. Just bend one knee and other knee is totally straight, and you have to go beyond your foot. Don't try to touch the foot because it will create back bending. Don't go for back bending much. Another is your adductor stretch, that is the inner thigh muscles. You can just join your feet and try to touch the floor by bending and going into the child pose with your feet all together. Just going into the child pose, bending forward and then coming to the normal position. In this, try that your knees are also touching the ground and your feet is also touching the ground and your hands are also shifting towards the ground. Another stretch now we will do is for the side of the back. Side of the back stretch. Just one knee bent, another knee is straight, and you are bending on your one side towards the straight knee. This will create the stretch in the opposite side of your bend. Like if I am bending on the left, then stretches on the right. Another is with the open leg. You bend forward. This will create a back stretch and your adductor stretch together. You will feel the stretch in your all together in your legs and your back. Another is the circular motion, the same position, opening the legs straight with the knee open, and then you are going into the circular motion clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. This will create a stretch in your back along with that abdominal mobility and the stretch along your legs. So it's a very good exercise. In the same position you can go for the child bending as well. child pose with the open legs, broad legs, and another stretch with side bending stretch with the open legs. You can go, if you're bending on the left side, you'll feel the stretch on the right side, the opposite side. The next exercise is we can go for the lunges with more knee bending. Have a look at it. Front lunge, but quite much knee bending, maximum knee bending which is possible. In this you will have a stretch on both the legs. If you are going forward, this will even train you for going for the splits. The split will make easy splits you will be able to do after this. Now another is the stretch like camel pose of the yoga. In this stretch you will feel the stretch on the abdominal areas and the thigh areas. You just bend towards your back in a kneeling position and try to touch the heels. Another stretch is the quadricep stretch. This was I was talking about the stretch in lying earlier when I showed you this standing quadriceps. Now give you the stretch in the front of the thigh, and just after doing this front thigh stretch you can go for extension of the back. This is also similar to the Bhujangasana of the yoga, and if done fastly it is a Pilates exercise for the back strengthening. And you can even combine the quadricep stretch with this extension exercise and going into the Dhanurasana of the yoga, or the if you are rocking in this position, it is a Pilates exercise. You can just maintain this and do it fastly or to feel the stretch in the anterior side, or you can maintain this for a prolonged anterior stretch and the back strengthening both coming up together. Now we'll go to the child pose and the extension. Child pose and the extension. It is a alternatively we are doing child pose and the cobra pose. Just feel the extension exercise for the back. After this we can go into the triangle pose. In this triangle pose it is kind of a flexion, and then we can reverse it with the extension. The extension exercise is similar to the Bhujangasana of yoga. You can go into the extension, the back exercise, flexion of the back exercise. This is alternatively going into the triangle pose and the Bhujangasana or the cobra pose. The next we can do is the stretch for the piriformis muscle. That is a muscle giving you the sciatica pain, so we can go for the relaxation of the hip muscle. That is called the piriformis. Just bend your first knee, the knee in the front, and extend the other one, and then go into the child pose. See, I am bending my right knee now and left knee is extended, and I am going into bending like a child pose in a forward bend position, flexion of the upper back, that is forward bending of the upper back, and I am feeling a stretch at my hip muscle, that is the piriformis muscle. Just do it 4 to 5 times both the sides and then relax yourself. After this what we can do is go into a side stretch in such a way that one knee is bent and other is going into the abduction position, and I'm going into the bending, and this will give you not only the stretch in the adductor muscles but is also in your full leg, your back, your abdominals. Everything is working out in this stretching exercise. You will feel relaxation after doing this exercise and a stretch while doing it. Just go into the child pose with your leg at the side. After completing this stretch, you will feel a good relaxation all throughout your leg and your abdominal muscles as well. And then we can come and turn, lie down on your back and your hands up. Just go with small crunches, abdominal crunches, in such a way that you're looking at the roof, and do not bend your neck. Just relax your body, and then we'll go to the hamstring stretch in a different position. By take your leg into the flexion and you will feel a stretch in your hamstring muscle, that is the muscle of the back of the thigh, and you can even raise your upper body in such a way that your neck doesn't go into the flexion but going full body, like upper back going up, not only the neck. Neck bending should be avoided, and we should do the stretch. And after this we can go for the back stretch, the side of the back muscles. By lying on your back, you have to rotate in such a way that your opposite hand is holding the opposite leg. That means if you are lying and if right leg is going towards the left side, then your left hand can hold your leg. that is opposite hand is holding the leg of the opposite side. You have to rotate the lower body. After this stretch, you will feel a good relaxation at your back side of the back. Then you can go into the long sitting, or you can start up by kneeling position and try to go for the split. The split, you will find that your range will increase after doing all those stretches. Your relaxation, stretch and flexibility will increase. And after this, you can try the stretch from both the sides and feel the difference. This will give you a lot of happiness and strength that yes, I have made it. It's very nice stretches. I hope you find it good and it's good for your flexibility, and do appreciate and tell me. Thank you.